Have your legs started to feel a little shaky? Like climbing the stairs or even just walking across the living room takes more energy than it used to? You're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. Most seniors don't realize their legs are slowly losing strength until something happens. A slip in the kitchen, a stumble on the front steps, or a fall that changes everything. According to the CDC, over 36 million older adults experience a fall every year. But here's the part most people don't know. The real problem isn't just age. It's silent muscle loss, especially in your legs, that starts long before we feel weak. You see, muscle doesn't just disappear overnight. It fades quietly. No pain, no warning. Just a little more effort every time you stand up or try to move around. But there's good news. Today, you can take back control, and it starts with something as simple as what's on your plate. Welcome to Healthy Seniors Over 60. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we'll explore 7 everyday foods that can help bring strength back to your legs. And at the end, I'll share a gentle but powerful tip that many of my patients use to walk with more ease and confidence, even after 70. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most powerful foods for aging muscles, salmon. Now, I know salmon can feel like a fancy fish, but hear me out. Just 2 servings a week can make a big difference in your leg strength. Why? Because salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. And together, they're like a dream team for your muscles. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in the joints and muscle tissue. That means less swelling in your knees, ankles, and hips, and more freedom to walk, bend, and stand up without pain. Meanwhile, the protein in salmon goes straight to work rebuilding and protecting your leg muscles. What's really special is that omega-3s also improve how your body uses protein. That's a game changer for seniors, because as we age, our muscles don't respond to protein the way they used to. But with omega-3s on board, it's like flipping a switch. Your muscles start listening again. Here's something easy you can try. Grill or bake a small piece of salmon with lemon and olive oil. Add a side of steamed veggies, and you've got a complete leg-loving meal in under 30 minutes. If salmon's not in your weekly budget, try canned salmon. It still has those healthy fats and protein, and it's much more affordable. The bones are soft and edible too, which means extra calcium for your joints. So if you want stronger legs, fewer aches, and better balance, salmon is one of the best places to start. Let's talk about one of the simplest, most affordable superfoods for your legs, eggs. Now, I know eggs you've eaten all your life. Can they really help your legs now? And the answer is absolutely yes. You see, eggs are packed with high-quality protein, and not just any protein. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which is the key amino acid your body needs to trigger the process of rebuilding your leg muscles after daily use or exercise. And here's something many people don't realize. Most of that power is found in the yolk, not just the white. The yolk has vitamins like D, B12, and choline, which support muscle function, nerve signals, and even balance, all crucial as we age. Vitamin D is especially important. It helps your muscles contract properly and your bones absorb calcium, so your legs stay strong and steady. Sadly, many seniors are low on vitamin D without even knowing it. Now, don't worry about cholesterol unless your doctor says otherwise. For most seniors, eating 1 to 2 eggs a day is perfectly healthy. And it's a lot cheaper than supplements or fancy protein shakes. Here's a tip. Try a boiled egg as a snack or scramble 2 with some spinach for a quick breakfast. It fuels your legs, supports your balance, and keeps your energy steady. So the next time you open your fridge, remember, a simple egg could be your secret weapon against weak legs. Next up is a breakfast favorite that does a lot more than just keep you full: oats. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which provide slow, steady energy throughout the day. This is especially important for seniors because quick sugar spikes, followed by crashes, can leave your legs feeling weak and tired. But oats aren't just about energy. They're also packed with plant-based protein, iron, magnesium, and soluble fiber, all of which play important roles in muscle strength and circulation. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough oxygen, your legs can feel tired, heavy, and slow to recover. Many older adults don't realize they're low on iron until fatigue or weakness starts to creep in. Oats are also rich in fiber, which supports your gut health, which you might not think is connected to your muscles, but it really is. A healthy gut means better absorption of nutrients like protein and minerals, which your muscles need to repair and stay strong. For many seniors, switching to a breakfast of steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats instead of sugary cereals or white bread can make a big difference in their energy and leg strength. Remember, the best oats are the ones you cook yourself, not the instant flavored packets full of sugar. Keep it simple, keep it natural, and your legs will thank you. Now let's talk about avocado, a creamy, delicious fruit that often gets misunderstood but incredibly powerful for your leg health. Many people think fats are bad, especially as we age, but that's not the full story. The fats in avocados are mostly monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and essential for keeping your muscles and joints working smoothly. Avocados are also loaded with potassium, even more than bananas in fact. And potassium is a key mineral that helps your muscles contract and relax properly. Low potassium levels are one of the hidden causes of those painful leg cramps many seniors experience at night or during the day. Beyond potassium, avocados provide vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, a natural process that speeds up as we age and can lead to muscle weakness and inflammation. Eating avocados regularly can help reduce inflammation in your joints and muscles, improve nerve communication, and keep your legs feeling flexible and strong. You don't have to eat a whole avocado at once. Try spreading some mashed avocado on whole grain toast for breakfast, adding slices to your salad, or blending it into a smoothie with berries and spinach. Simple, tasty, and packed with nutrients, avocados are a fantastic addition to any senior's diet who wants to keep their legs steady and pain-free.
Let's move on to some of nature's sweetest helpers, berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, these colorful fruits are packed with powerful antioxidants that do wonders for your leg muscles. As we get older, our muscles can suffer from something called oxidative stress. That's when unstable molecules damage healthy muscle cells, making them weaker and slower to recover. Berries are rich in flavonoids and anthocyanins, antioxidant compounds that protect muscle fibers from this kind of damage. But there's more. Berries also provide vitamin C, which is crucial for making and maintaining collagen, the protein that keeps your muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. Without enough collagen, your legs can feel stiff, painful, and less stable. A recent study showed that older adults who eat berries regularly experience better mobility and less muscle inflammation. Plus, berries are low in calories but high in fiber, which helps support gut health and nutrient absorption, essential for muscle repair and strength. One of the best things about berries is how easy they are to add to your diet. Toss them into yogurt or oatmeal, blend them in smoothies, or just enjoy them fresh as a sweet snack. If you want to protect your legs from stiffness and maintain your strength, making berries a near-daily habit can really pay off. Next on our list is a humble yet incredibly nourishing food, lentils. These little legumes are packed with plant-based protein, iron, fiber, and essential minerals that are vital for keeping your leg muscles strong and healthy as you age. Protein is the building block your body uses to repair muscles after everyday activities like walking, standing, or even just getting up from a chair. Lentils offer a great source of protein that's easy on the digestive system, perfect for seniors who might find heavy meats harder to digest. Iron is another important nutrient found in lentils. It helps carry oxygen through your blood to your muscles. Without enough oxygen, your leg muscles can feel tired, heavy, and slow to recover. Many older adults don't realize they're low on iron until fatigue or weakness starts to creep in. Lentils are also rich in fiber, which support gut health. A healthy gut means your body can better absorb all the nutrients you get from your diet, which of course means better muscle repair and strength. Adding lentils to your meals is easy and versatile. You can enjoy them in soups, stews, salads, or even mashed like a spread. They cook relatively quickly and are budget-friendly, a win-win for anyone trying to eat healthily without breaking the bank. For seniors looking to boost their leg strength and stamina, making lentils a regular part of your meals is a smart, practical step. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about sweet potatoes, a wonderfully nutritious root vegetable that often gets overlooked. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates which provide your muscles with a steady, long-lasting energy supply. Unlike simple carbs that cause quick spikes and crashes in blood sugar, sweet potatoes release glucose slowly, helping you maintain endurance throughout the day, especially important for seniors who often experience energy dips. But there's more. Sweet potatoes are loaded with potassium, an essential mineral for proper muscle contraction and preventing cramps. Many older adults suffer from nighttime leg cramps, and low potassium levels are one of the most common culprits. They also contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a vital role in cell repair and reducing inflammation. As your muscles undergo tiny tears from daily movement, vitamin A helps speed up the healing process, keeping your legs flexible and strong. The fiber in sweet potatoes also supports gut health and helps regulate blood sugar, which ties back into muscle endurance and strength. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can bake them, boil them, mash them, or roast them. Try adding a little cinnamon or a drizzle of olive oil for extra flavor and health benefits. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet regularly can provide your legs with the energy, minerals, and antioxidants they need to stay strong and pain-free as you age. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Each of the 7 foods we talked about today may seem simple, but together they form a powerful foundation for keeping your legs strong and steady. From the anti-inflammatory power of salmon to the magnesium and protein in lentils, every bite supports your muscles, bones, and balance. The truth is, your legs don't lose strength because of age alone. They lose strength because they aren't given the right tools to stay strong. These foods, they are your tools, your fuel, your support. Now, before we finish, I want to share a bonus tip. One small change you can start today that could protect your legs for years to come. Here it is. Try standing on one leg for 10 seconds every day. Hold on to a chair if you need to at first. This simple exercise strengthens stabilizer muscles in your hips, knees, and ankles, the ones that protect you from falling. It might feel silly at first, but research shows this kind of balance training can dramatically reduce fall risk. Just 10 seconds, once a day, can help your legs stay confident beneath you. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength. You don't have to do it all at once. Just one meal, one bite, one small habit at a time. If this video helped you feel more hopeful about your legs, your balance, or your future, then I encourage you to take the next step with us. Subscribe to this channel, Healthy Seniors Over 60. It's a space created just for you, with science-backed advice, simple strategies, and heartfelt support for staying strong, independent, and well after 60. Every week, we explore topics that matter to your daily life, whether it's how to eat for muscle health, tips to reduce swelling, or exercises that protect your joints. And if you know someone, a spouse, a friend, a neighbor, who could use a little leg strength and encouragement, share this video with them too. Sometimes the smallest share can make the biggest difference. Until next time, remember you deserve to move with confidence, to feel steady on your feet, and to enjoy life on your own terms, one strong step at a time.